What is up, YouTube? How are you guys doing? It is Amaria back with another video. I am here for the tips, tricks, tea of life. You already, well, you probably don't know. If you don't know, you can get in tune and you can find out. Like, comment, share, subscribe, get into with some more of my videos because as I learn, you guys will be learning, okay? So, today we are going to be getting into a very important topic, okay? We are going to be covering how to grow or build your following, your channel if you're trying to do YouTube, things like that, okay? So, for starters, I'm going to be basically covering 5 things. I personally know that there's way more things out here to learn. I have spent countless of dollars on mobile courses, doing modules, going to job fairs, listening to webinars, all of that, because they're all up there. And this is some 5 things, that I feel like are the most important things that you need to know. Honestly, I'm not going to be going too deep into the topics because, like I said, they are extensive. And like I said, those aren't the only things. So I don't want to, get too deep and confuse you guys. So I'm just gonna give you the basics, and I'm maybe making more videos, kind of breaking them down. I may break them down, one by one per video, but I don't know. We'll see, and we'll go from there. So basically, we're going to be starting with number one. Okay, number one is you need to know that invest. When I say invest, invest your time. A lot of people, you're going to hear a lot of, oh, invest in yourself. They mean invest in them, spend money basically, to make money. And there are some things out here that require that. And you do have to spend money to make money in an instance so that, you're putting out quality material and not just, putting out anything. So that's something definitely you want to keep in mind. But with that, in saying that, I say invest your time, because at the end of the day, a lot of people say, oh, I don't have time to make a video. I don't have time to do this. Listen, no matter what, you literally have time to do anything. If you're doing, I don't know, doing homework, you're doing something, you're cooking, turn on the camera, sit it down somewhere, record it. Honestly, it's not that hard. It's all about what you put into it is what you're gonna get out of it. I'm not saying that it's instantaneous. I'm not saying this is definitely not a get rich quick scheme, okay? So if you're trying to make money right now, listen, go watch my other videos about, how to go make money from working from home. The link will be probably up there in the corner. So yeah, definitely look at that, because that's something that'll help you with money instantly. But and for the long run too, just check out the video and it's there. So what I'm talking about is passive income. In my other videos, like I said, I talked more about jobs that you can do to sustain yourself and get to where you financially need to be stable. But in doing that, you can also be creating your passive income. And that's what I'm going to be getting into today in this video, is your passive income. So when I say that is, you do things on a day-to-day basis, right? Whenever you're doing something, do you ever Google something, or do you ever like, hey, how do I do this? Do you ever YouTube a video? Oh, everybody does it. Seriously, I do it all the time. I literally, I stay on Google. Anything is going on, I Google it. Like, it's a problem of mine, because I kind of need to stop, because I didn't take it too far. But, Google is Google, it's there. Why is it there? Unless, you're supposed to use it. So, research. Research is big. For all my thinkers out there, research. Like, you already know, because you probably most likely already do it if you're a thinker. Yeah, so at the end of the day, it really depends on the person. But like I said, if you want to do something that can potentially set you up for the long run so that you don't have to be constantly punching the clock and constantly working, listen, do that, because this is All of this is temporary. Like anything you're going through, any struggle, all of that is temporary. You need to make sure that you're setting yourself up for the next day, for tomorrow, for a month from now, for a year from now, you know? A lot of people, they say, oh, well, it's going to take too long. Okay, but you can start that process now. Once you get that clock started, it's only a matter of time until you reach that point where you're trying to be. It's just you have to invest your time. All right? So, next, what we're going to be going into is promote. When I say promote, I mean you need to be about yourself. I mean, when I say be about yourself, hold on. You need to make sure you put yourself out there. A lot of people aren't outgoing. I never used to be outgoing, honestly, but I had to become that way just because at the end of the day, nothing's going to happen if you literally sit in a corner. Like, it's literally not. You're just going to be in the corner. And some people may approach you, you know, but at the end of the day, no one's going to keep talking to you. You're like, I don't know. I don't know what I want to do, you know. I understand, you know, you may not know where you want to be in life, or you may not know what steps you want to take. You may not know what you want your business to be. But that's going to go into my next topic. You have to find what you're good at. All right, so I'm going to leave that at that. But like I said, we're going to continue to talk about promotion. Make sure that you have friends. Hey, what's up? I have a YouTube channel. What's it about? Oh, you know, talk to them, get ideas. That's literally what you do. If you don't, like, because a lot of people say, oh, I don't have content. I don't know what to post. Ask people, engage, you know. Like I said, it's going to another thing. So all of this is a big circle, a big spectrum that is ultimately going to be your foundation and what you need to be able to grow your business, grow your channel, grow your Instagram following, your Twitter, all of that, literally Facebook, all of that. Okay. So next, where we're going to be, so we covered invest, then we covered promote, and now we're going to be covering interact. When I say interact, I mean you have to talk with your people. I tend to talk with my hands. I know I kind of need to stop with that, but this is something that you need to understand, that when you're making a business for yourself, or you're branding yourself, when you're becoming the face, the representative, or something that you're trying to sell, or a service, or you know, whatever you're doing, you need to make sure that people know who you are. No one's going to buy a product from you if they don't know, not per se know you, if they don't know anything about the product. You know, if they don't know anything about what it is, they're not just going to give you whatever amount of money you're asking for if they don't even know what they're buying. Okay? Would you do that? Would you, how many, I mean, they have it out there. People have like mystery boxes, but they at least give you some type of genre and what's it in. You have to let people know what you're selling, because if they don't know, they're not going to buy anything. Not just buy anything, they're not going to listen. They're not going to want to watch. So at the end of the day, make sure that you interact with your people. Ask them, hey, what do you like? What's the type of things that you're interested in? Lord, tongue twister. Yeah. So that's definitely something that you want to make sure that you do. A lot of these platforms, a lot of these social medias create ways for people and entrepreneurs and public figures to interact with their followers and with their following, and these tools are seriously there, and they set you up for success, like, and they're free. Like, you already have them on your phone, you already use them, you probably already use a lot of these tools. Just do what you know is working for you. Okay. All right, so now where we're going to be going into is know what you want to do, or find your niche. When I say find your niche, a lot of people maybe know the word niche from, I know it from science class, okay? Like the ecosystems and stuff they were telling you about, like the animals and everything. That's where I remember, okay? So, but anyways, so when I say find your niche, I mean find what you're good at. If you like fitness, do something in fitness. If you like gaming, do something gaming. If you like makeup, do something in makeup. If you like, you know, food, do something in food. If you like arts and crafts, do something in arts and crafts. It's literally endless. There's so many things out here that you can do. There's so many ways that people can literally occupy their time out here that is a hobby that people look for. People literally search these things because, like, if they want to know, hey, I want to know how to write a book, or I want to know how to write music. I want to know how to do this fitness routine. I want to know how to do my makeup this certain way. I want to know how to play this game. Game walkthroughs. People research all of these things. People go to YouTube specifically for these reasons. Use that to your advantage. Not saying what you don't want to do is, you don't want to be like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. Make sure that you are doing something that you know for a fact that you are going to enjoy doing. Something that you're not going to be like, oh, I have to figure something else to do. I don't know what to make. I don't know what content. Brainstorm. Listen, it's not going to be easy. Get you a notebook, pen and paper, or use your iPhone. Like I said, it's the day of technology. Use your resources. iPhones have notes. Put it in your notes so that you already have it saved, and you know what you may want to do, some ideas that you have that pop into your head, some ideas that other people may give you, or even not even that. Any day or any time in your life that it doesn't matter where you are. You can be in the grocery store. You can be in the bathroom. Listen, everybody got their phone in the bathroom. I don't care what nobody say. So, continue. Anywhere you go, you have your phone. If you think of an idea, write it down. Because at the end of the day, if you don't try, what are you doing? Like, seriously, what are you doing? So, check it out. So, the last thing I'm going to get into, and this is honestly my personal favorite, something that I personally had to make sure that I did. A lot of people don't take their own advice when they tell people to do this, but trust me, once you do it, you will feel so much better. Like, your energy, your demeanor, like, just your life will literally just start showing what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Showing the happiness, showing, the comfortability that you have with yourself, and all that. So that goes into what the topic is. Be yourself. All right. A lot of people, they tend to try to be other people. They tend to, oh, I want to be like this. I want to be like this person. Oh, I like how she is, or I like how he is. I want to try to be like them. Honestly, that's not what's going to help you. Like, I mean, yeah, I'm not going to say it's not going to get you anywhere, okay? Because it's gotten a lot of people everywhere trying to be like other people. But at the end of the day, it's not going to get you as far as you can go. Because nobody is the same. No two people are alike. Even twins, no two people are alike, okay? Identical twins still have certain differences. They are never going to be the same. No one's ever going to be exactly the same. So you were made differently because you have a different experience to show people. You have a different life to express to people. If you aren't comfortable with, expressing yourself, honestly, it's okay. Like, seriously, anxiety is so real. Like, I get anxiety all the time. In person, talking to people a lot, sometimes, I feel like sometimes my brain moves a little bit faster than my mouth because I be on topic, on the road, thinking about it, moving, talking, just going with it, okay? And I tend to like stumble on my words sometimes, but I catch myself back up. But like I said, we're human. We have to work on certain things with ourselves. And, at the end of the day, we're not perfect at all. And don't ever expect yourself to be perfect. Don't ever, you can strive, to do your best, like, but don't always ever be like, I have to be perfect, because that's literally, it's not realistic. I'm not gonna say it's not realistic, but your sanity, like, let me not say it like that, but you get what hopefully you get what I mean. It's literally not, it may not be the best approach that you can take, okay? So, definitely being yourself is something that is priceless. Literally, you can't put a price on that. Because if you're yourself, and odds are, if you've gotten this far, especially in this video, if you've gotten this far in this video, you've gotten this far in life, period. Like, you've already built relationships with people. You possibly already have friends that, love you, love your personality, love who you are, family, stuff like that. And those are the people that you have on your side, in your support system, that can let you know the things that your strengths. They can let you know your weaknesses. They can let you know, not necessarily let you know your weaknesses, but let you know some things that they may have noticed about you. And these people, honestly, like, they're there, and if they like you, other people are going to like you. There's millions of people in this world. Like, some people do have different ways of thinking, and some people do have different ways of living, and honestly, it's really up to you as to what you want to bring to the table. So never ever just try to be somebody else. Be yourself. That's the best way to set yourself up for success. So our main topics, I'm gonna start from 1 through 5. I know I like listed them off 5 through 1, but I'm just gonna go back through the list from the top to the bottom, starting at the number one favorite. Well, my number one favorite is be yourself. All right. Then it's going to be interact. Interact with your people. Always interact with your following. Okay. Interact with everybody. Networking. All of that. Then I don't know why I did it like that. Anyways, so then you're going to have promote yourself. Always promote yourself. I know that's probably not in order of what I said. I'm probably missing one. So yeah. But promote yourself. Honestly, promoting yourself, you can't go wrong with that. If you're promoting yourself, you can't say you didn't try. You can't say that you didn't not put yourself out there, but you didn't say that you didn't let people know that, hey, I'm here, you know? That's the presence that you want, you know? So then you also want to make sure that you're investing in what you want to do. I'm not gonna say invest like money and everything. Just invest your time. It doesn't always have to be about money. And I mean, money may help boost you. I'm not gonna say it don't help, because let's be real, it helps. But like I said, money is not up there in what you really need to be successful. Is really not, because people had to get to that point. You know, they didn't start off with $1 million. They had to get $1 million and then keep it and maintain it and then add on to that. You know, it's a process. So never ever, but never give up on yourself. Never be afraid to fail, because at the end of the day, when you fall, you're only meant to get back up. It's only testing how strong you are, and it's say like, hey, is she gonna get back up? Is he gonna get back up? Or are you just sitting there? You chilling? Oh, okay. You know? So literally that has to be your mindset. You have to always like just pick yourself back up. I understand it's gonna be hard. I don't know your situation. I don't know what you're going through, but seriously, pick yourself back up. It's gonna be okay. I promise you it's gonna be okay. So, like I said, my name is Amaria with all of the tips, tricks of life. As I'm learning, you guys will be learning. I tell you this every single video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know. Tell me you guys' thoughts. Let me know how you feel. Let me know what are some things that you are wondering how you can grow yourself, or more interesting topics that you want to know more about, passive income, all of that. I can maybe make a video kind of going into the different ways of passive income. That's probably coming next. Let me not say that, but we'll be seeing with that. Yeah, so I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna be getting some sleep. I should be sleeping right now. So yeah, it's your girl Amaria, back with another video, and I will catch you guys later. Oh, and I had to put this out there. Don't be talking about my blue tongue, okay? I was drinking Powerade. Cut it out.